Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. We're at Walmart. So lots of deals to share. Of course, there'll be a Google Doc if you want to follow along that way. So I have my weekend bonus, and for that I need 15 rebates for $1, which is not the greatest, but I will be finishing off my my bigger bonus, which for that I need 12 rebates. So we're gonna grab 15 rebates today, getting back $11. This should be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. But if you're new here, I feel like I haven't did this in a minute, right? If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also make sure that you smash the like button to support your girl, and definitely don't forget to ring the little notification bell so you never ever miss out on a video. So listen, you know what, you guys, this has been one of my best months this year on Ibotta, which is crazy because December last year I think I only did like 216, but as of today I'm at like $692, almost $700, which is crazy. So yeah, so anyway, so without further ado, let's jump on in. So this first deal is going to be on the Proper Good soups. Now this is there's a Venmo PayPal rebate for this, making it free. Big shout out to Cynthia at Keep Calm Couponing for this deal. I'll link it for you in the description. And there's also 900 kicks on the Shopkick, which is equivalent to $3.60. So it'll make this a $3.60 moneymaker. Okay, this next deal is on the Cheetos mac and cheese. These are priced at $1.38. You're grabbing one and getting back 75 cents on Ibotta. I'm making them only 63 cents each. And of course, we're going to be grabbing the Martha White cornbread mix again, priced at 98 cents, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, making it only 48 cents. Of course, we're going to grab these Fruits Balls. I feel bad because I haven't even tried them yet. And this is like the second time I've done this deal and I've yet to try them. Although some of you guys said they're pretty good. And so maybe I'll try them. I need to do another try video, so I'll probably try them sometime maybe this weekend. Anyways, they're priced at $4.97. There's rebates on Shopkick for 3 of the flavors. So I'm gonna go ahead and just buy one of each. Total is gonna come to $14.91, but then you're gonna get back $1 for each on Ibotta, and then 850 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.40 for each one, making them only 57 cents each. This next deal here is on the Jimmy protein bars. It's on this one right here, which is the chocolate peanut butter one, priced at $4.34. Now this deal I did get from Michelle at Check It Out with Michelle. You get back $4 on Ibotta, making it only 34 cents. At the other store I went to yesterday, they were $4.29. All right, so that's definitely not a bad deal for something that you might want to try out. The other deal that I grabbed was on the Keto Crisp down here. This is a freebie on Ibotta. You'll pay $7.34 and you'll get that back, making it absolutely free. And so yeah, there's also the deal on the core bars. This is the 4-pack. It's priced at $7.48. You're gonna grab one of these, and then you'll be getting back that $7.48 through the Venmo PayPal rebate that is still going on. You'll also get back $3.75 on Ibotta, making this a $3.75 moneymaker. And I've pretty much been doing this the last few days. I'm probably already maxed out on it, but it's not a bad deal to pass up. And so yeah. Okay, the other deals on the regular core bars. There are rebates on the regular ones, which are $2.18, getting back $1 on Ibotta. You can also do the Venmo for that one. It's kind of either or though, because it's a limit of 1. And then you're also getting back $1 for the core ketos as well for $2.18. So if you need to hit that bonus, these are definitely some really easy options. And so yeah. This next deal is on the Gatsby, and I think that the free rebate for this is still going on as well. We're gonna be grabbing one of these. You're gonna get back 800 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.20. It'll make it only 68 cents. Now, there may still be that Venmo PayPal rebate, making it free if you haven't did that offer yet. So for you, it would be a $3.20 moneymaker. But I went ahead and grabbed it for 68 cents, and so yeah. All right, guys, I definitely did use the rest of my 3 off of 5 printables. I still had 6 left. I pretty much mixed and matched between the chips and the Rockstar for Ibotta. I also did a rebate on Fetch Reward for the chips. So I ended up buying 2 of the ones at $2.18. I stacked that with 2 chips for 49 cents and then a Rockstar as well, which made that a really sweet deal as well. Now with Fetch Reward, it was $1.50 back when you bought 2. But it actually gave me back $3, so that worked out to be an even sweeter deal than I thought. So this next deal is going to be on the Johnson & Johnson. I've been pretty much doing this deal every time it resets. The powder is priced at $162, grabbing 5 of them. And then using 4 of the $2 coupons, I get mine from my Ip Fairy, brings your total down to paying 10 cents out of pocket and getting back $1 for that 5th one on Ibotta, making this a 90-cent moneymaker. Now I also have a rebate on Shopkick for a bundle for the hair and the personal care items. So it's not as high as the points were before, the kicks were before. It's only like 450 kicks on Shopkick for buying the 2 of them. So this one's 197, this one's 162. Using 2 of the printables here will bring the total down to 22 cents of overage, and then getting back 450 kicks, which is $1.80 on Shopkick, making both free plus a $2.02 moneymaker. This next deal is on the St. Ives face scrubs. They're priced at $4.97. There are rebates on 3 different ones. I'm going to be grabbing 1 of each using 3 of these printables that I've gotten from my Ip Fairy. So it'll bring the total down to you paying $3.97 out of pocket, but you'll get back 960 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.84, making them only 13 cents each. Next that I grabbed is on the Irish Spring, the original scent. It's the smaller bottle. They're priced at $4.97. I do have a rebate on Brand Club for $1.50 expiring soon. And then $2 back on Ibotta will make that only $1.44. Also went ahead and did the spin brush deal again. These are priced at $5. I know that some stores may have them on clearance, but they're not. And so grabbing 1 of them at $5, it is still working for 2 different rebates on Ibotta. I'm making them only $1 each, and I've pretty much been maxing this out. Next deal is on the soft soap. This is on the ginormous bottles. They're the 50-ounce bottles. They're priced at $5.97. We're grabbing 1 of them. I also have a $1.50 Brand Club survey for this one as well, expiring soon. And then there's also 675 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.70. I'm making it only $1.77 per bottle, which I think is an awesome price. This next deal is on the Kotex. They are priced at $2.97 for 40 count as well as the 50 count liners. I'm grabbing them in sets of 5 using 5 of the $1.15 coupons. I get mine from my Ip Fairy. Which brings the total down to paying $9.10 out of pocket, but then getting back $10 on Ibotta, and then also $2.50 on Fetch for reaching $20 in Kotex products. I'm making all 5 free plus a $3.40 moneymaker. Now this one did reset for me the next day. I did a set of 5 again, and then the 3rd day, which was yesterday, it was $1. So I just bought 1, and with the printable, it made that 82 cents. Okay, here's another deal that I got from Cynthia at Keep Calm Couponing. It's on the Depend silhouettes. These are priced at $13.94. Grabbing 1 of them and using this $2.50 printable from their website for signing up will bring your total down to you paying $11.24 out of pocket, but then you're going to get back $7.50 on Ibotta plus a 10-cent any, and then a $3.50 bonus for buying 1, making it only 14 cents. Now I do have it on Fetch Reward, but I have to buy 2. All right, this last deal that I'm doing, I was actually excited to see the Renew Life pop up on Ibotta again. It's down here. I think whenever I look for this, I was always looking up higher up, but the Renew, I was always looking right here with the rest of the Renew products, but they have it down here with the cleanses. And so it's priced at $6.84 for the 3-day cleanse. And then you're going to get back $5 on Ibotta. And then I have a rebate on Brand Club for $3.50, making this $1.66 moneymaker. I also did find some Find Your Happy Place Christmas clearance as well. I checked the clearance aisle, but then I also checked the regular aisle. So I found this one priced at $3.48, and then you're getting back 700 kicks on Shopkick, and which is equivalent to $2.80. So it makes it only 68 cents, which is definitely not bad. So when looking for the clearance for this, if you don't find it in the regular clearance aisle, always check the regular aisle, because I did find sprays over here yesterday, as well as those little bitty the little bitty creams. I think that's what they are as well. So here is my complete haul for today. Everything worked out really amazing. This is pretty collective though of the last 3 days. Can we officially say goodbye to 2022? This is the last haul of 2022, which is crazy that it's about to be 2023 in like 3 or 4 days. And so listen, this worked out pretty good. All the coupons I used today, they all scanned. But let me show y'all something really quick, because I know one of you guys was asking about Cashwalk, and I said I would do it in this video. So with a Cashwalk, it's right here. Okay, so for this app, you can do steps. You can step to get your points. The most that you can step and earn points on is 10,000 steps per day, which is 100 coins. 100 steps is equal to 1 step coin. All right. But you can also get points through surveys. And then this one right here, this daily lucky box, this just popped up for me probably like a week ago, where you when you hit that milestones, you can you have a chance to earn up to 10,000 step coins. The most I ever got was 100 though. But I definitely make sure that I do that every day as well. But for the surveys, you want to click play, and then you want to click missions, and then you click special offers. A lot of the times you're going to get this right here. There's no available surveys for you right now. Just keep clicking it, and eventually they'll pop up. And then it tells you you're going to get 50 step coins for each survey, and then it tells you how long it's going to take. So pretty easy way. I mean, I do surveys when I'm just watching TV, or if I'm not really doing anything. I'll be sitting in bed, or if I get up early in the morning, I'll do a couple surveys. And I try to do at least 1 or 2 a day, because again, that does add up. And if you're getting your 10,000 steps in, that's already 100 step coins. And if you do 2 surveys, you're going to hit 200 step coins per day, which means you'll be able to cash out sooner. You can cash out with 2,000 step coins for a $5 Walmart gift card. I mean, they have a lot of different rewards on here. My last one was the 23rd. That one took me 2 weeks. I'm hoping that my next one will take me less time, but they have different gift cards you can get. I usually just get Walmart gift cards. I cash out at $5, but they do have different ones that you can get. When I first told you guys about this app, it was 1,500 step coins, but it went up to 2,000. They have Dunkin' Donuts at 1,200 that you can get. I don't see any other ones less than that. But yeah, so check that out. The thing I didn't mention really quick was the trash bags. This is a Dollar Tree deal. I just wanted to see if it would work for the rebate on Shopkick. I think it's like 650 kicks. And it actually works. So what I did is I did one of these on one transaction with 4 of the refresh. Now, I don't think this is on there anymore. This one kind of went fast for me, at least in my opinion. I think it was because I was just dragging my feet to do the deal. But $125 at Dollar Tree, getting back 500 kicks, which is $2. So each one was a 75-cent moneymaker, limit of 4 per receipt. So I did the deal on both of my Shopkick accounts. I got a total of 8 of them. Ended up being all free plus a $6 moneymaker. So what I did is I did 4 of these by themselves, and then I did the other transaction with the trash bag, which I scanned it first so that I wouldn't have the issue with duplicate receipt. And it actually went through. And then I went back again yesterday and did the trash bag deal again with these to see if that would work, and did again 2 different transactions and added a couple items on one transaction, and it went through again. So that one did work. It made those like a $1.35 moneymaker, which is really, really cool. So this orange one didn't work on Ibotta. I had to actually put a request in to have the item reviewed. It was accepted, and then I had to put a ticket in to get the 50 cent back. They actually gave me back $1, which is really, really cool on that. Other than that, you guys, I think that's basically it. The other thing you don't see here is the chips. I think I ended up with 36 bags of the small chips. These are the 2 that I did for Fetch Reward. And so other than that, everything you see here retails $301.12. This is $16.77 in sales tax. I had $62.15 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $238.97. And then we got back $128.69 from Ibotta, $83.14 from Shopkick, $37.14 from Venmo, $5.50 from Fetch Reward, and $6.50 from Brand Club. So we got back a total of $260.97 in rebates, which is so awesome. Nets everything at free plus a $21.73 moneymaker. And again, even after tax, we still made $4.96. So definitely is not a bad deal. Other than that, hope that you guys are having the most amazing day. I'm going to be watching wherever you're from. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.